Hey there, I'm Ashley Morell with Tommy Williams Homes here in Oakmont. We are outside of our West Bay 2 Courtyard home. Let's go take a look. Welcome to the West Bay 2 Courtyard pool home. This home is available to have a pool inside. In this case, we have a gas burning fire pit along with a fountain. The courtyard is amazing for entertaining. And you also have a detached cabana, which would be great for an office, a study, or just family members while they're here visiting. Inside the home, you've got a great open floor plan with these 18 feet pocketing doors leading out to the courtyard. Guest bedroom, bathroom, and office is here in the main living area. Your dining room and kitchen are amazing with a full height granite backsplash. Off to the side is the owner's suite with a large closet and a glass enclosure shower with dual shower heads and a double vanity for his and her. The West Bay 2 here on lot 246 is available for sale. Thank you so much for touring the West Bay 2. For more information, visit our website at tommywilliamshomes.com or call me for a personal tour at 352-335-4140.